The refined cooking oil that we use is actually bleached, deodorized and stripped of all its micronutrients. So which is the best oil for cooking? In this video, we'll be talking about the different cooking oils so that you can get to know and decide which is the best cooking oil for health. Which oil is best for cooking? Should I change the current oil that I'm using? Should I switch to olive oil? These are some of the questions that I get asked whenever I'm prescribing a diet plan. Which is the best cooking oil for health is a concern that all of us have. And since most of us use refined oil, let's start with refined oil. The refined oil, although marketed as healthy, is actually not so healthy. It goes through many stages of processing. First, the oil seeds are cooked in steam. That breaks the cell structure and melts the fat. It is then screw pressed and food grade hexane is added. The oil is extracted and the solvent is removed. After this, alkali is added. Soaps are formed, soaps are removed. Then the refining process begins. Plant pigments like chlorophyll and carotene is removed. The oil is then bleached and deodorized. And what we get is this clear and clean looking liquid which is stripped of all its micronutrients. It has no odor, a neutral color and taste. And this process of refining applies to any oil that is refined, whether it is refined soya bean oil, refined peanut oil, refined canola oil, refined sunflower oil, any refined oil. So is refined oil healthy? Not really. And if it's not healthy, why do we need to refine it? That's because refined oil is safe. It is safer than the loose unbranded oil that you will get in the unorganized sector because that loose oil can develop aflatoxins, it can be adulterated which may cause potential harm to your health. So if refined oils are not healthy, is olive oil healthy? Yes, extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest. It is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it is also very good for your heart health. The reason why extra virgin olive oil is so healthy and it retains the health benefits of the olives is because extra virgin olive oil is not refined. It is extracted using the cold press extraction method. In this, the olives, the oil seeds or the nuts are crushed and the oil is extracted through pressure. No heat is applied and no chemicals are added. In fact, to confirm this, we went to one of the cold press oil mills and take a look at what we found.
Hello sir.
हेलो हाउ आर यू
Good. सर कब से है आपका ये शॉप यहाँ पे?
हमारा ये शॉप 1976 से है।
ओके एंड यहाँ पे कौन कौन से ऑयल्स मिलते हैं?
हमारे यहाँ पे मस्टर्ड, ग्राउंडनट, तिल, कोकोनट, आलमंड, वॉलनट, फ्लैक्स सीड, कलौंजी और भी काफ़ी सारे एसेंशियल ऑयल्स भी मिलते हैं हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे।
तो ये सारे कोल्ड प्रेस्ड ऑयल है जो भी आप?
मैक्सिमम ऑयल कोल्ड प्रेस हैं सर। एसेंशियल ऑयल हम बाहर से इंपोर्ट करते हैं
जी।
वो आउटसोर्सिंग होता है, बाकी जो सीड से निकाले जाते हैं वो सारे हमारे यहीं मिलते हैं।
क्या मैं दिखा सकती हूँ?
बिल्कुल श्योर।
हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
यस
थैंक यू।
कोल्ड प्रेस एक्चुअली में जो मशीन आपने देखी इसके अंदर वुड लगी होती है जिसके कारण वो निकलते हुए हमें गर्म नहीं होता, इसलिए वो कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल कहलाता है।
ओके और इसमें कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव्स?
कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव, कोई केमिकल कुछ भी यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, कुछ भी यूज़ होता है इसके अंदर।
तो जो ऑयल है बिल्कुल वैसा ही?
बिल्कुल वैसे डायरेक्टली सीड डलता है, सीड से ऑयल निकाला जाता है।
ओके जी, थैंक यू सो मच सर।
So in the cold press oil extraction method, the color, flavor and the nutrients are retained. Since there are no chemical solvents that is used in cold press oil extraction method, the oil which is extracted is lesser in quantity, and perhaps that is the reason why cold pressed oils are slightly more expensive. The reason why extra virgin olive oil is much more expensive in India is because it comes all the way from the Mediterranean to our country. But keeping the expenses aside, olive oil is not suited for Indian style of cooking where we cook for longer duration and there is deep frying also that is involved. That's because extra virgin olive oil has a low smoke point. Smoke point of fats is that temperature where when heated, smoke starts coming out continuously. When this happens, oil starts to decompose. A cooking oil should have a nice smell and also a high smoke point. And if you notice, extra virgin olive oil's smoke point is one of the lowest. The olive pomace oil, which is suited for deep frying, is extracted chemically just like how the refined oil is extracted. And that is why it is not recommended. In our country, a lot of traditional oils like the sesame seed oil, the peanut oil, mustard oil is extracted through cold press extraction. Using these oils for your day-to-day cooking is much better. Cold pressed mustard oil or the Kachi Ghani mustard oil is quite healthy. Mustard oil is banned for human consumption in the US, Canada and the European Union countries because of the erucic acid which is present in it. Studies were done in the US where rats were fed with high quantity of mustard oil and it was concluded that the erucic acid present in mustard oil led to heart problems in rats. However, no such link is confirmed for humans. Mustard oil is used a lot in Eastern India, Northern India and also some other Asian countries. After the conclusion, scientists and researchers developed canola oil which is extracted from rapeseed. Now rapeseed and mustard have the same nutritional qualities. However, canola oil or the rapeseed oil can be refined but mustard oil cannot be refined. And that is why the mustard oil retains the nutrients, the flavor and the aroma of the mustard seeds. In fact, some recent studies have shown that mustard oil is actually beneficial for your health and can reduce your cholesterol levels. That's because mustard oil is low in total saturated fatty acids. Mustard oil is high in monounsaturated fatty acids. It also contains polyunsaturated fatty acids. Mustard oil has anti-inflammatory properties and is also antibacterial. Mustard oil also gives a nice flavor to the dishes that are cooked with it. And even though mustard oil is cold pressed, mustard oil has a very high smoke point, making it ideal for deep frying. Now that doesn't mean that you'll start having deep fried foods frequently. Desi ghee, which was earlier termed as unhealthy, is now a superfood. Although desi ghee is high in total saturated fatty acids, these are lower chain or short chain fatty acids and can be broken down easily. Same is the case with coconut oil. Coconuts are grown extensively in South India. Hence, coconut oil is used in some South Indian dishes which it is suited for. If you do not have a heart problem, then you can include coconut oil or ghee in your diet. There are many health benefits of desi ghee. Ghee lubricates your joints. It nourishes you with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E and K. Ghee is good for your digestive health. Ghee reduces inflammations and ghee also has a high smoke point and can be used for deep frying. Since ghee can be easily made at home, you can see that there are no chemicals that are used in making desi ghee. So desi ghee is definitely a good option if you do not have any heart problems. So to answer the question, which is the best oil for cooking? We will suggest cold pressed oil or desi ghee. Cold pressed oil, whether it is cold pressed sunflower oil, cold pressed peanut oil, sesame oil, is much better than the refined oil. Even though it is slightly expensive, consider buying a good branded cold pressed oil and use it for your day-to-day cooking instead of refined oil. The refined oil is definitely not as healthier as it is claimed to be, but it is a lot safer than the loose oil that you get in the unorganized market. Never buy loose, unbranded oil. If you use any oil specific to the region that you're staying, say for example in Andhra, we use sesame oil, peanut oil. In eastern India and in northern India, mustard oil is used. Then if you're using sunflower oil, then continue using that oil. There is no need to switch to olive oil for Indian cuisines because olive oil is not suited for most Indian cuisine. Avoid eating deep fried foods from outside frequently. The repeated use of oil may cause cancer and heart problems in the long run. Also avoid trans fats and saturated fats. Personally, at home, we use a variety of oils. For pastas and salad, we drizzle extra virgin olive oil. Then for our regular day-to-day sabzi, we use cold pressed sunflower oil. Then for tadkas on dal, sambar, upma, we use ghee. And for dishes like ghugni, jhalmuri, chokha, we use mustard oil. And for some South Indian cuisines, we use coconut oil. So yes, we use a variety of oils and we enjoy a variety of dishes in our house, and we also reap the benefits of all these oils. Deep fried food is minimum, and here's a tip that we can give you to reduce your oil intake. Whenever you're putting oil for your cooking, do not pour the oil from the bottle. That way you'll end up putting more oil. Instead, use a spoon, and 2 to 3 spoons of oil is sufficient for your cooking. Deep fried foods should only be had occasionally and not on a regular basis. One should always take care and be in their correct weight range. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to leave your likes, comments, subscribe to our channel and share the video so that together we can spread good health and cheer all around us. And Health Lifestyle says bye-bye for now, and we'll meet you in our next video. Bye!